We are a startup. We develop filters to filter out microplastic coming from washing your clothes. We are here because I hope we will together represent a solution to be built into the washing machines that will enable us to stop this pollution at source. Because when you wash your clothes, especially synthetic fibers, millions of tiny microplastics get released into our world water supply. And 35% of all microplastics found in our oceans is actually microfibers from your clothes.
They are small organisms, then of course they're entering the food web and they come to us, to our food, onto our plates. And a recent study found microplastics in the human placenta. So I think this is a serious concern and reason to work very hard to develop solutions that prevent this kind of pollution.
Kopesirentzako oso, akordio positiboa da, zen eta gure, heldo estrategikoarekin lotuta dago, guk merkatu ikusten dugunen edo horlako mikroplastikoak eta itsasoak eta kutsatzen daudela, eta behekin planetikarekin elkarlan hau lagundu dezake gure soluzioa balore erantzigeago eukitzea, gure ordezkoak edo gure ondorengoei mundu hobeko bat usteko.
We need a strong partner that is synergetic with us, and Cupresi produces pumps. So that's a very synergetic component to our filter, and I hope together we will find the best product and we will sell it to OEMs.